Hey guys, what's up? It's Mimi. So today's video is going to be my February favorites. Can I first start off by saying that February lasted like all of 3 seconds. I feel like February 1st was just like a minute ago and now it is already the last day of this month. It might also help that February is only 28 days, but that's besides the point. That doesn't really matter. So if you guys like favorite videos, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you would like to see this face more often, and also leave a comment down below like talking about like what's your favorite videos to watch or something like that, because I need ideas for new content. So let's get into this video. So first thing on my favorites list this month is this almond and vanilla olive oil body cream. I use this every single day, mainly on my hands and on my face. It has like the slightest scent to it, but it doesn't bother me that much, so I like putting it on my face because it is very hydrating, and especially in the winter time I definitely need this daily. Second thing is this L'Oreal Everpure Repair and Defense shampoo. This is a brand new shampoo that was just launched. It is to help protect from natural colors, from like dyeing it and everything, from dyeing your hair, or if you just have like really brittle hair in general, which I do. I also dyed it once and that didn't work out too well, so my hair is very damaged from that one time like 3 years ago or something like that. So I use this every time I wash my hair and I have seen a difference in my hair. It's definitely shinier and smooth, and it doesn't look as dead when you look at the ends of it anymore. And I saw the difference in one use. So I will be continuing to use this, and probably will be using this instead of my normal shampoo now. Recently just added Champagne Pop to my makeup collection. It is the highlighter that everyone raves about on YouTube, and let me just say, it is worth the money. I absolutely love this highlighter. I usually just do like a tiny bit, so it's not like too blinding when I go to work or school, but you can definitely make it blinding if you'd like it to. You can definitely layer it up and you will see it. I think you can see a tiny bit right now. I don't know. Can you? Maybe. I just put on a tiny bit today for this video. My next makeup favorite is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is said to be the dupe for the Better Than Sex. I have not tried that out because I do not own the Better Than Sex mascara, but I really do like this one. It makes my lashes actually be there, because if I don't wear mascara, or if like I wear any other type of mascara, like my lashes don't stay up, they kind of just like point back down again, so it looks like I have none. So I really like this one. Another makeup item that I have been loving is this ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Take a Pixie. It is, I think it was one of their holiday ones that they released, so I bought it during them. So it has like this cute packaging on it. It has like polka dots. And I have been wearing this color like every single day that I wear liquid lipsticks, which is most days. And for once, the color like inside the bottle matches like when you put it on your lips, which is like kind of unusual for ColourPop, because most of the lipsticks I have from them darkens when they dry, and this one looks exactly the same after it dries. So I really recommend this one. And the last makeup product that I have for this month are these unicorn brushes. I got these for Christmas last year from one of my roommates. Don't mind the fact that they are messy and dirty because I have not cleaned them yet, but I use most of these on a daily basis to apply my makeup. And you can find these for pretty cheap too. I think you can find them on Amazon for like $8 or something. And like makeup brushes are makeup brushes. Like some of them are like eh, and some of them are like really good, but they all work the same in my opinion. One of the random favorites for this month are these knee-high boots from Charlotte Russe. They have embroidery flowers on the side of them, which are also black, so they're kind of hard to see unless you're staring at them really closely. But I got them on sale for $25 instead of the usual like $45 or $55 or something like that. because knee-high boots are expensive. So I got these, and they are the wide calf ones, because I do have wide calves from walking on my toes as a kid and also from doing gymnastics. So these are the first pair of boots that I have found in my size that fit my calves and actually stay up. So I'm really excited about these. Like, the heel is kind of big, so I can't wear them like all the time like I can with like my booties and stuff like that. So this is more just like when I go out for like a few hours or something, not for like the whole day of wear. The random favorite for this month is actually a TV show I've been watching. There's actually 2 of them. The first one is Once Upon a Time. It's about fairy tale creatures. If that's not your thing, like, you wouldn't like this, but I really enjoyed the show, and there are 6 seasons on Netflix if you like to binge watch them. And the second show is NCIS. I love crime shows. I don't know why. I will always watch crime shows. My dad calls them murder, death, kill shows because that's all that happens in these. So if you like crime shows, there are 7 seasons on Netflix to binge watch. You're welcome. Favorite for the month is my pop socket. I debated getting one of these for the longest time. I was like, I don't need it. Like, it's not a big deal. Like, I don't really need to spend $10 on this. But once I got it, I cannot live without this anymore. Like, I'll take my phone and put it in a different case without the pop socket, and I'm like, nope, go back. I need this. Because all you can do is just hold your phone like this. And if you're like me, you like to watch YouTube in bed, like on your back, or like you're scrolling through social media and then it just drops on your face. So this helps so much. Yes, it is $10, but it's $10 on a pop socket, or like $200 trying to fix your phone screen if you drop it. So that is all my favorites for the month. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!